So hello guys, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send rich text with your emails in Salesforce Flow. So before Spring 21 updates you are not able to do that, but now after Spring 21 updates or releases we are able to send rich text along with our email. So in this video we are going to check how we can send emails with rich text. So without any delay, let's get started. So for that, what you need to do is click on new flow. So in this example, I am going to show you, like, whenever a new opportunity is created in our org, we are going to send email to the admin or whatever the individual that should get notified that an opportunity is created in our org. So we are going to create a record triggered flow for that and click next. Select freeform. So in the start element, you can, if you click on edit, you will see it is by default a record is created and after the record is saved. So when the record is created in our org, only when we are going to send an email. So simply click done, and now you have to choose object. So let's select opportunity, and in criteria, if you want to provide, let's say, amount is null, boolean false. So this means if a particular opportunity is created, so only those opportunities will be entered into the trigger who's having some amount. So simply click done, and now we are simply drag and drop an action to the canvas, and let's type send email. Click on send email. Provide label, let's say send email to admin, and now you can see body input values. So here you need to provide a rich text body. So now how you should create a rich text body? For that you need to click on new resource, click on text template, and provide label, let's say email or body. Now in the body you can create a body with rich text. So I will let you know how you can do that. So you want to send an email to your manager, or you can say admin, that an opportunity name is created. So now after name you want to provide the name of the opportunity. So for that, click on insert, and in record variable will hold the current record. So select record and type name and select name over there. So you can see this is the dynamic variable, so it will change according to the current record. So simply I want to make it bold and color black. So for that, let's say select the text and simply press Ctrl B, or you can select it from here, and you let's say you want to show that admin more details about that opportunity. So let's say stage. So now you need to provide stage. So again record stage name. So here you can see again you will get the dynamic variable. So again you are going to provide it in bold, and now you want to show the amount. Amount, and again record dot amount. So now our rich text is completed, and if you want to provide more colors to it, you can provide from here. So simply select the text, click on this black or color icon, select any of the color. Let's say I am selecting green, or let's say blue for stage, and let's say green for amount. This is just to let you know that how you can create a creative body. Simply click done, Now you can see email body is automatically populated in body because we created from there. Now any subject, so let's say opportunity is created, and in email address comma separated you are going to provide the email of the admin, or let's say any of the individual you want to send an email. So let's say Shubham Bharadwaj SRD @gmail.com. This is my basically dummy email address which I used just for junk and demo purposes. And in rich text formatted body, what you can do is click on this include, and now you need to provide true here because you want to send a body, or you can say email body which containing some rich text. So you need to select true here and simply click done. Now connect start element to action and save your flow. Let's say send email to the user and simply save this flow. Let's activate it and move to the home screen, and let's create an opportunity. Click on new, and let's say opportunity is Salesforce Geek Private Limited. So this is just a dummy example, and in close date let's say 30. Let's provide an account name, let's say Salesforce Geek, and make sure you provide amount, because until and unless there is amount is present, only when the trigger is going to fire. So let's say 20,000 and simply going to save. So now I need to check with email. So here you can see opportunity is created. So let's open this email, and here you can see an opportunity name Salesforce Geek Private Limited is created, and stage name is prospecting, amount is 20,000. So that's how you can send rich text in your Salesforce emails. You can create more creative examples for yourself, and let's say if you have a business requirement to send table in your Salesforce flow, so you can check out Narendra Bhai blog post for that. I will provide the link in the description and also create a video in the upcoming days. So this is just to let you know that you can create more scenarios with that. Let me show you what Narendra Bhai flow will perform. So let's say if I open that flow, so basically I tried his flow, like how to send tables in Salesforce flows. And if I click on debug, no, first let me check what is the email. So okay, it will receive me email on the same email, and if I click on debug and provide account ID, let's say Burlington, and click run. So let me show you the email. So here you can see all open cases. So basically what it will do, we will provide an account ID over there, and it will automatically fetch all the open cases on that particular account, and you can simply send those cases in your Salesforce flow and send email to that. So here you can see the output. Here we have a table which containing open cases of that account, which is Burlington Textile Corp of America in this case. So that's how you can create more examples like that. It is very kind of innovative thing. So I will provide the blog post for this scenario, and also going to create the video in future. So thank you so much if you're watching this video till now.